Yo, welcome back to another vlog, and today we're going to be showing some fake food. So, first we're going to be showing the main thing. It is the burger, guys. Here's the bun. You can take it all apart. There's the bun, here's the cheese, there's the onion, there's the lettuce, tomato, oh it's hard to get off, tomato, and the beef and the other bun. And you can just, so the beef goes on first. Let's put that, oh, get on. Beep. Okay, we finally got the beef on, barely. Then you put the cheese. Then you put the lettuce. Then you put the onion. No, the tomato. That's what I meant. No, the tomato goes on last. Onion, tomato, and then, oh Jesus, then the bun. So we just put that back. Got some nuggets right here. It's actually full of nothing. It's just cardboard inside. As you can see, no nuggets. Bit sad it's not real food in there. Beep! Got some chips. I almost choked. Beep! Okay, we got some chips. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chips. We got a hot dog. Take it out the bun. Talking about hot dogs, you can eat a hot dog without tomato sauce. It's fake. Then there's the fork. Just pick stuff up with it like so. So yeah, and last thing, it's the specialist. Oh, that isn't specialist, but it came with like a fruity piece of cardboard. It's a piece of cardboard, that is. Came with that. And we got a drink. You know what's cool? You can actually put stuff in the drink. As you can see, I put some milk in there. Watch. There's some milk. God. And you can just go in the bathroom or sink room and just rinse it out with some water, and it's back to normal. And we got a tray, and that's what's carrying all the stuff. So that's what we have today. Shout out to B&M. And until next time, peace out. Wrist check. Keep up.